Manifest anything. Speak these 5 words daily. Only talk about what you want. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Today we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So, manifesting, people that learn to reprogram their mind and their energy field and begin to manifest in large amounts. In other words, they manifest wealth. They manifest abundance, prosperity, love, happiness, joy, good health. Manifestors are true high flyers. That's what we mean by a high flyer. A high flyer is like a beautiful eagle flying overhead, and it soars above the rest of the mundane world. So I believe that your manifesting journey is interconnected with your spiritual journey. High flyers or manifesting minds tend to focus on what they want, or to put it better, they focus on what they deeply and are passionately desiring in their life, and they focus on it without exception. They focus on it continuously, and they make it the center of their life. What you focus on, you tend to attract in your life. So this is why high flyers, manifestors, successful people focus. They focus, that's a key word, on what they desire, and they focus on it continuously. High flyers, just like this crystal, emanates a vibration. As a matter of fact, early radios used crystals to tune in to the various frequencies of different radio stations. So just like this crystal emanates a frequency, so do your words. So if you're going to surround your house with beautiful plants and crystals and essential oils, but you're going to speak negative words, it doesn't work. Listen, nothing is more important in the process of manifesting than the words that you speak. Your words emanate vibration. They emanate vibration. They come out the mouth. They're vibrating. Your vocal cords are actually vibrating, and they come from your subconscious mind through your conscious mind, where they are formulated into words and then out your mouth. Your words represent your beliefs. Negative beliefs equal negative words equal negative results. Positive, optimistic, resourceful beliefs equal positive words, which equals positive results. Your words have incredible, unbelievable power, high flyers. So always monitor your language, the words that you say, because every word is a vibration. Every word is a seed that you are planting into the infinite field of potential to manifest what you deeply desire. Every word represents a belief. More importantly, every word represents power. The power to change your life. The power to have the relationship you desire, the marriage you desire, the money you desire, the wealth that you crave, to have it all. High-flying manifestors, they talk continuously about their passions, what they want, what they desire, what they are creating, what they are becoming, what they are transforming into, what they are attracting. They're talking about it because, listen, it's almost biblical. You're speaking manifestation, your manifestation into existence. Now, ordinary people, they talk about fears, they talk about doubts, they talk about the news, they talk about why you can't do something, they talk about all the negativity, all the limiting beliefs. But high flyers, Their words are like wings. Their words lift them up to their highest potential, to manifest literally anything you desire. Oh, high flyers, I am excited about words. I'm excited about always evolving my language to speak with a more positive, optimistic, resourceful tone. Your words are seeds for future growth. So if you're thinking about tomorrow, speak positive, optimistic, resourceful words today. Oh, I got to take a breath. This is exciting. This is life-changing. High flyers only talk about what they are becoming, what they are doing, what they are changing, what they are attracting. Here's the thing. The more you talk about what you are doing, what you are becoming, what you are attracting, hey, listen, you don't have anybody to talk to. Talk to yourself. Your self-talk is the first language. You don't have to speak out loud, though. Your self-talk is essential. And then talk to your family and your friends. And if they give you negativity in return, hey, love them. Just love them and let it go. And continue to speak your words of powerful affirmation. High flyers, Rachel and I have a saying, and I think we remind each other of this saying at least once a day. Words with feeling take your growth beyond the ceiling. In other words, don't just speak words. Speak words that have emotion. Speak words that are backed with feeling, empathy, excitement. You know, these words that are filled with feeling have incredible power to change your life literally overnight. And I do mean that. Literally overnight. So high flyers, as you begin to train yourself to use positive, optimistic, resourceful words. Give up the fear talk. Give it up. Once and for all. That's it. No more talk of fear. Anytime I begin to speak of fear, stop me and talk of opportunity. Talk of abundance. You see, what is abundance? Abundance is incredible love and happiness and joy and wealth and prosperity. Abundance covers it all. Abundance is an incredible connection with source energy. As you train yourself to use words of power, you will 100%, you will attract more, achieve more, be more, and you will love more. But you've got to train yourself. And hey, when is the best time to start training yourself? Right now. Right now is the best time to train yourself. You are powerful beyond measure, and your words express your power. High flyers, here are 5 words that will absolutely, positively change your life. I attract what I desire. I attract what I desire. Now, I want you to etch this in to your nervous system. So write it down below here. I attract what I desire. Join the rest of us. Become a high flyer. Speak these words every day. I attract what I desire. Get excited. Make those the first words that you speak in the morning. Get out of bed. Jump up. Clap your hands. Get excited for the day and say, I attract what I desire. Once you have those words spoken every day and do it aloud, you are setting the day into action for positive energy, positive thoughts, and positive outcome. I promise you, I attract what I desire. And I desire that you have an absolutely incredible day. And thank you for subscribing.